68 million years ago, the Earth trembled beneath the feet of a giant, the Tyrannosaurus rex, the most feared predator to ever walk this planet. Sharp teeth, powerful jaws, unmatched strength. But what if I told you that today, the closest living relative of this terrifying beast is not a crocodile, not a lizard, but this? Yes, the humble chicken. It sounds unbelievable. Almost laughable. But recent scientific discoveries have revealed something extraordinary. Modern chickens are the closest living relatives of T-Rex. This is not science fiction. This is cutting-edge science. In this video, we'll explore how paleontologists uncovered this truth, how DNA and protein studies connect dinosaurs to birds, and why the cluck of a chicken is, in fact, the echo of a dinosaur's roar. Stay with us till the end, because what you're about to learn will forever change the way you look at chickens, birds, and even your own Sunday dinner. Is Pargrap Ka Exat Proms Duke Country KS Hizibis NA DNA. For decades, paleontologists studied dinosaur bones, piecing together the puzzle of their existence. One major clue came not from giant skeletons, but from something much smaller, fossilized feathers. Back in the 1990s, scientists in China discovered fossils of small theropod dinosaurs covered in feather-like structures. These creatures weren't giant monsters like T. Rex, but they belonged to the same family of theropod dinosaurs. This discovery revolutionized paleontology. It meant dinosaurs weren't just scaly reptiles. Some of them were feathery, bird-like, and surprisingly modern-looking. T. Rex itself didn't have wings like a bird, but its body showed similarities: hollow bones, a wishbone-like structure, and even similarities in the way muscles attach to bones. Slowly, the scientific community began to suspect birds might not just be distant relatives of dinosaurs. Birds are dinosaurs, and among all modern birds, the chicken emerged as one of the closest genetic matches. In 2003, something extraordinary happened. A team led by Dr. Mary Schweitzer cracked open a 68-million-year-old T. Rex fossil in Montana. Inside the fossilized bone, they found something no one expected: soft tissue. Yes, actual preserved collagen proteins, surviving for tens of millions of years. When they compared the proteins with living animals, the closest matches weren't crocodiles or reptiles. They were chickens and ostriches. This was a scientific earthquake. For the first time, molecular biology confirmed what anatomy had suggested. T. Rex shares a direct evolutionary link with birds. Later genetic studies showed that chickens share about 60% of their DNA with Tyrannosaurus rex. That means if you look at a chicken today, you're looking at a genetic time capsule, a small feathered creature carrying echoes of the mighty T. Rex in its very cells. Of course, chickens are not mini T. Rexes. They're not going to chase you down with razor-sharp teeth. Evolution shaped them differently. But that 60% similarity is like a family resemblance across the ages. The giant predator and the farmyard bird share a common ancestor, proving that evolution works in fascinating ways. Let's take a journey back 150 million years to the Jurassic period. Dinosaurs ruled the Earth. Among them were small, feathered theropods. Some were hunters, some scavengers, some climbers. One of these was Archaeopteryx, often called the first bird. It had wings and feathers, but also sharp teeth and claws. Over millions of years, these small feathered dinosaurs adapted. They became lighter, developed stronger wings, and began gliding, then flying. Slowly, dinosaurs split into two destinies. The giant ones, like T. Rex, eventually went extinct. The smaller, Feathered ones survived the asteroid impact 66 million years ago and became the birds we see today. So, when you look at a pigeon, a hawk, or even a chicken, you're seeing the descendants of dinosaurs who outlived the greatest extinction event in Earth's history. This survival wasn't luck alone. Feathers, hollow bones, and the ability to adapt diets gave them an evolutionary edge. And that's why chickens are not just farm animals. They're living proof that dinosaurs still walk among us.